Good AM. Today is March 21, 2024, Thursday. And here are the 10:30 AM SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 21, 2024, Thursday. Here are the STL Sur 3 10:30 AM draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, March 21, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of March 21, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.